Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a big transformation from my normal hair to this curly hair. For the first time I tried the tight curls on my head. So if you want to know how I did that curls, then please keep on watching. I'm starting off with freshly washed and air dried hair, and I'm just going to apply some serum first. Already when my hair was damp, I applied some serum just to make sure that there are no tangles when I'm combing it. So this is already tangle free, but to show you the process, I'm just again applying the serum for you guys. I'm not applying it directly on the scalp, just on the length of my hair, and I'm just going to be combing my hair with a wide tooth comb. So you can use whatever serum you have. Now my personal favorite is this Loreal Control Serum. Basically this helps in controlling the serum. So yeah, I have been using this for for months now. So I make sure I comb my hair with a wide tooth comb, and I'm going to spritz some heat protectant. This one is from Tony&Guy, and you have to just open by clicking the clicks that is available on the neck of the bottle. So yeah, I'm just spritzing this all over my head, basically hair, and I'm just going to comb through this just to make sure the product is thoroughly spread all around my hair. So once after doing this, I'm going to partition my hair. I'll be just taking only small sections for this tight curls. You can take how much density or the amount of hair you want, basically the thickness I mean. So yeah, I'm just taking smaller sections and going to be curling it. For the curler, I'm using the Ikonic 19mm curler, and this one is for professional use, but for personal use you can use the ones from Nova and Philips. They are like in the affordable side and also do the same work. So this one I am using in the temperature 180 degrees C, and you can just use the minimum temperature if you are using or curling your hair with tight curls. Also, it just took me like 1.5 hours to complete my entire head, since I'm working on smaller sections. The same thing I do for waves or light loose curls, but with a bigger wand and by taking a large amount of the section of the hair. So that's how basically curling works. This is what I do. I start from the bottom and work towards the top part of my head and the front. So I'm just going to fast forward. If you really feel kind of irritating to watch the fast forward bits, please feel free to forward this video, and for the next 1 to 1.5 minutes I'm going to be showing you how I curl this, the same techniques, and I'm just going to be showing you how I do this. And yeah, if you are a beginner, please be very careful while handling curling wands. There are high chances of you getting burnt on your hands or even on your neck and your face. So please be very careful, very careful. Yeah, I cannot emphasize how much you have to be very careful, but yeah, please be very careful again. So while curling the front part of my hair, I am not curling from the roots. I'm just leaving some distance and curling just to make sure that I have enough amount of hair to frame my face. And yeah, with that the curling is complete. I'm going to set everything with some hairspray, and yeah, you can use whatever hairspray you want, and please don't spritz this on your eyes like I did. Once after that is done, our curls is done. So this is how the curls actually look. I managed to curl every bit of my hair without leaving anything, and if you have anyone to help to do the back of your head, it will be very convenient. And let me know if you like the curls on me. I personally liked it. I don't know, it was quite surprising. I am used to waves and light curls, loose curls, but this one I liked it. So let me know, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.